We've got a cool video for you guys today. This is Kenya. Kenya has a problem, and her problem is dystocia. She's having a problem delivering her puppies. The only way to fix this is with a C-section. Now, these are pretty cool. Everybody likes to see the birth of life, likes to see all the puppies form. So stay tuned, follow along. We got an interesting video today. We're about to make our first incision. We try to be as fast as possible with these guys. The quicker you can be, the better chance of survival the puppies have. We also plan to spay her. That way she doesn't have this problem anymore.
Is that the only seed over there?
Yep. This is it.
That's it?
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
A few inches later.
So we had 4 puppies total, but one of our puppies has a problem. That problem is called a cleft lip. Sometimes people get these as well, but if you'll zoom in real quick and see, just the lip on the right side over there is not formed all the way together. However, this one is pretty mild. We should be able to still nurse from mom. We're gonna keep a close watch on that. Sometimes they have to be bottle fed, but we'll try it for the first few days, see how it goes. And this type of condition can be fixed at a later date. So we'll probably make a video on that. We're about 6 months old. We can reconstruct that lip right there and fix it.